Planning and Infrastructure, Part 1. Since we were little, a long time, or only a short time ago, we discovered that we love miniature trains. And we want to see them running in a setting which is as lifelike as possible. This is when we decide we want to build a model railway and give our trains a home. To do this, the first thing we need to do is make a plan. This plan should fulfill a series of requirements, which will be explained throughout this chapter, which is dedicated to planning and infrastructure. It's important to bear in mind that this phase is essential for obtaining a model which fills all the requirements of our railway line.